Hello and welcome back to EFX TV once again. So some of the viewers asked me my name and rest of the details. I'm going to declare it very soon, but for that there is a target. Okay, so if I'm going to get 5,000 subscribers, I'll definitely introduce myself to you. Okay, till then it's EFX TV and I love it. Okay, so for my supporters, thank you so much for supporting me so far. I have got my first payment today. Okay, I cannot show it to you on the screen because it's very less as compared to other creators, and yeah, I'll definitely love to show it when I get more than I think. Okay, so whatever I have got so far is okay for me. Okay, now talk about today's video. So what are the things we are going to learn in this video? So in this video I'm going to teach you how to access the Wi-Fi, not others, your Wi-Fi hardware using Termux. And yes, you don't need any kind of rooted device for that, because if you root your device, it's maybe you're going to lose warranty and damage responsibility from your device maker. So make sure you're not going to root your device. Whoever is suggesting to do so, please ignore that. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to turn on, turn off and advanced scan our Wi-Fi networks around us. Without wasting any time further, let's get into the video. And before that, there is an interesting fact I want to share to you. So moreover, like 2 to 3% of people are subscribing this channel. I don't know what's wrong with it. If you go for quality, yes, quality is pretty poor, I know that, and it will be increased in upcoming days. Okay, please ignore the background noise and focus on the thing we are going to teach you on the screen. So let's get into the video and watch something new. Okay, so before doing anything, the first thing should be you have to update and upgrade your device. My hands, I don't have mobile in my hand because I'm using a wireless keyboard. Okay, and a wireless mouse for everything. Okay, so the first thing should be you have to update and upgrade your device by using apt upgrade command. Okay, you can remove it and turn it to and as well and hit enter, and it hasn't took much time because I already have done it for you. Okay, now what is the next step? Okay, now you have to configure the Termux API. So what is Termux API? Termux API is a supported application for Termux which takes care or helps you to connect with your device hardware. Okay, so if you don't have installed Termux API on your Android device alongside your Termux, this trick is not going to work. Okay, so must install Termux API and provide all the permissions to it. I have shown everything in my separate video and link is in the I button, so go for it and install your latest version of Termux with Termux API. First, to install the Termux API in your Android device, all you have to do is you have to install application, and after that you have to run a command on your Termux apt install termux-API and hit enter. Again, I have done everything for you and it hasn't took much time. So what's next? Now turn off your Wi-Fi and turn off the location as well if it is running in the background. Now we are going to enable the Wi-Fi, means we are going to tell the Termux API to access the Wi-Fi details, to access the Wi-Fi hardware. So to do that, I'm going to run a command termux-wifi-enable, which will help the Termux API to talk with the Wi-Fi hardware on my Android 11, and after that we are going to turn on the Wi-Fi from the Termux. Now here you can see there are two options: enable, true or false. True means I want to turn on the Termux. True means I want to turn on the Wi-Fi, and the false means I want to turn off or stop the Wi-Fi from being running on the device. Okay, so I want to turn on. It means I'm going to type termux Wi-Fi enable, then true, and hit enter. And here you can see my device is asking for the permission because I'm using Android 11. Okay, if you have Android 11 or updated version of Android 10, you may get this alert. Okay, so I'm going to press on allow once, and it will take few seconds to get it done. And here you can see my Wi-Fi has been connected to my network. Okay, now let me show you how to turn off it. Again, press on allow once to turn off the Wi-Fi. True means enable and false means turn off. Now we require to turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay, so I have turned it on once again, and now we are going to run a command. Before that, let me turn on the location. I don't know why, but Termux API requires your location to scan the Wi-Fi. So turn on your location and again type termux-wifi-scaninfo and hit enter. And here you can see there are lots of details, like you know that because of YouTube term and conditions I cannot share everything on this video because it can be useful for us, but it can be harmful for someone in other way. Okay, so if you really want to support me, hit the like button just because I have shown you everything. Okay, so if you are following this video, you can run the same thing on your terminal and you'll get the results. If you want to watch the proper video, full video, I'll request you to join my Telegram group where I used to share all the things, okay, and on the regular basis. So I hope you liked this video, and additionally, if you want to know more, you have to look for Mac Lookup, and Mac Lookup will provide you much more information about the device. Okay, so I hope you liked this video, and if you are new to us, please subscribe and share it with others. And for others, I don't care if you watch or not, because without like and subscribe and share, nothing is going to change on this channel. So thank you so much for your support. Because of you, I have got my first payment, and very soon you're going to see some changes like you have seen in this video. Okay, thank you so much for bearing me, and for now, take care of yours. Have a great time ahead. See you in the next video.